I've been exploring the Appy Pie website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what Appy Pie website builder actually offers. Appy Pie is an intuitive, no-code platform that helps you create professional-looking websites without touching a single line of code. The idea is simple. Pick a template, drag and drop the elements you want, publish your site, and you're live in minutes. It's designed for small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who wants an online presence without paying hefty development fees. Now, let's get into what makes Appy Pie stand out. The platform is incredibly beginner-friendly, with a smooth interface and templates that cover nearly every industry, from restaurants and portfolios to online stores. You can integrate useful features like chat support, forms, booking systems, and even payment gateways. It's also cloud-based, meaning your site is hosted automatically, and you don't have to deal with any technical setup. But it's not all perfect. The design customization is somewhat limited compared to tools like Wix or Squarespace. Some advanced features like deep SEO optimization or complex e-commerce functions feel a bit basic. Also, while pricing is reasonable, some options that users might expect for free are locked behind higher tier plans. Overall, Appy Pie is great for simplicity and speed, but if you're aiming for more design flexibility or advanced business tools, you might eventually outgrow it. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.